Hello, students. So, we have to study artificial intelligence in this current semester. I hope so. This is not a new word or new thing for you, the word AI or the word artificial intelligence, though you must not have studied it earlier, but the term is very much familiar with today's generation of IT people, or in fact, I can say non IT people also know कि artificial intelligence एक term है जो बहुत prominently आज की तारीख में यूज़ होती है एंड जिसका ये हम सुनते हैं कि आगे बहुत फ्यूचर है. सो लेट अस डिस्कस कि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस हमारी है क्या. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट अ लेमैन्स लैंग्वेज, सो इन दैट रिस्पेक्ट अ लेमैन विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस इज जो आर्टिफिशियली किसी चीज़ को इंटेलिजेंट बनाने की कोशिश की जाए एंड वो चीज़ जिसको इंटेलिजेंट बनाने की कोशिश की जा रही है दैट इज़ अ मशीन, दैट इज़ अ कंप्यूटर, दैट इज़ अ सिस्टम, फाइन, दैट इज़ अ रोबोट, एनीथिंग which doesn't have his or her mind, उसको हम artificially depending upon the programming language or code या whatever the methods, different methods are there presently, उसको use करके we want to make it intelligent so as it can be compared to the human mind. इंसानी दिमाग के बराबर उसको इंटेलिजेंस क्रिएट करने की कोशिश की जा रही है. सो दैट इज द आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस in a broader way we can say it out. Now when we talk about artificial intelligence, there are 2-3 terms more which are running parallelly with the artificial intelligence. One term is machine learning, जिसको हम ML कहते हैं. Another term is data science, and the third term is deep learning, जिसको हम DL कहते हैं. So one term is AI, one is ML, one is DL, deep learning, and another is DS, that is data science. So ये चारों टर्म्स हम बहुत ही प्रोमिनेंटली सुनते हैं, बट आई थिंक कहीं ना कहीं मैक्सिमम पीपल फेल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि इज देयर एनी रिलेशन बिटवीन ऑल दिस और दे ऑल आर डिफरेंट. फाइन, मतलब सुनते हम सभी हैं ML, डीप लर्निंग, मशीन लर्निंग, न्यूरल नेटवर्क्स, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस एंड सो ऑन. देयर आर डिफरेंट थिंग्स, बट we are unable to identify what is the difference between them or what is the correlation between them. Though we all understand कि इसकी मार्केट में बहुत डिमांड है, इसका फ्यूचर बहुत अच्छा है, और अगर इसका फ्यूचर अच्छा है या डिमांड है तभी आवर गवर्नमेंट इज मेकिंग न्यू ब्रांचेस specifically for these AI, ML, DS, data science, or if we are having conventional branches, उसके अंदर भी दे आर हैविंग स्पेशलाइजेशंस ऑफ दिस AI, DS, ML एंड सो ऑन, जो जितने भी हम अभी डिस्कस कर रहे हैं पॉइंट्स. सो लेट अस कम टू द पॉइंट कि व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन AI and another one is machine learning, another one is deep learning, and the fourth one is data science, which is DS. So talking about point to point, first one is AI, that is artificial intelligence, that is broader, या जिसको हम कहते हैं that is the mother of all, सबसे बड़ा artificial intelligence. फाइन, जो अभी हमने डिस्कस किया, which is using different techniques to enable a machine to think like a human being. Fine, that is artificial intelligence. Now what is machine learning? Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. ये AI के अंदर ही ML हमारा आता है. फाइन, कोई अलग से कोई इसका ब्रांच या अलग से कोई सब्जेक्ट नहीं है. दैट इज अ सबसेट ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. एंड in particular machine learning, what we do is that we try that machines should learn by different methods or different techniques. So in machine learning, there are prominently 3 main parameters or categories in ML. If we want to have that techniques that a machine should learn, so the first category in this machine learning is as the supervised learning. Second one is unsupervised learning, and the third one is reinforcement learning. Fine. Supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement. Enforcement. Now, what is the supervised learning technique? Suppose we are having a set of data. मैं एक एग्जांपल लेके चलता हूँ कि suppose we are having the data set or data of suppose human beings of two parameters like height and weight. Fine. We are already having the two parameters of height and weight. Now, depending upon these two parameters, we can calculate that whether a person is obese, whether a person is fit, or whether a person is underweight, depending upon these two parameters. Now, if we have the data set for these things, we can easily calculate the machine can easily calculate the supervised learning technique and give us the desired results. Now, that means that this supervised technique should have the previous data for accessing, for giving results. Now, second category is unsupervised learning. Now, what is unsupervised learning? Basically, when a data is scattered, when a data is random, so we want to have small clusters of look alike or alike data. For example, मैं एक चीज़ लेके चलता हूँ. For example, we are having a bucket or basket of different fruits scattered है. उसके अंदर mixed fruits है हमारे. उसके अंदर बनाना भी है, उसके अंदर एप्पल भी है, उसके अंदर पियर भी है. फाइन, मिक्स हैं सारे. नाउ वी वांट टू सेपरेट डिफरेंट फ्रूट्स इन डिफरेंट प्लेट्स. तो हम डिफरेंट टेक्निक्स अप्लाई करके जब उसके क्लस्टर्स बना देंगे कि भाई बनाना हमारा इकट्ठा हो गया, एप्पल हमारा इकट्ठा हो गया, पियर हमारा इकट्ठा हो गया, तो दैट ऑल मेकिंग यूजिंग डिफरेंट टेक्निक्स इज अ क्लस्टरिंग एंड दैट इज नोन एज अनसुपरवाइज्ड डेटा, जिसके अंदर प्रायर नॉलेज नहीं है, उसके अंदर मशीन को लर्न करना पड़ रहा है. एंड द थर्ड वन इज reinforcement, which is a combination of supervised and unsupervised learning, in which the machine is under the category of, we can say it, semi supervised state. Fine. So अगर हम इसके अंदर और डीपली जाएंगे तो it will take around 5 to 10 lectures to completely cover what are these subcategories of learning in ML, machine learning. So our motive is just to have a broader idea that what is the difference or what is the similarity between AI, ML, deep learning and data science. Now coming on to the third category, that is deep learning. First one is artificial intelligence. Its subset is machine learning, and machine learning का subset अपने अंदर है deep learning. Fine. So what is a deep learning? So deep learning is basically to mimic the human brain. Now जैसे हमारा ह्यूमन ब्रेन, इंसानी दिमाग हमारा ट्रेन होता है धीरे धीरे डिफरेंट सिचुएशंस में, जब हम जाते हैं द माइंड्स ऑटोमेटिकली ट्रेन्स itself depending upon the different situations. So deep learning's concept, which is the subset of AI subset is ML, and ML का subset is deep learning. उसका basically the idea was to mimic the human brain to develop techniques by which the machine trains itself, अपने आप को वो train कर सके depending upon different situations, depending on different algorithms which we apply over deep learning. So basically it is a multi-neural network architecture. One of the example of the deep learning is the multi-neural network architecture. Now there are different techniques which we can study in the deep learning process, but I will discuss, just give you just a brief just introduction of 2-3 algorithms that are basically, one is ANN, one is CNN and one is RNN. Now depending upon which type of data we are having, suppose ANN is having the values data, the CNN is having the images data, images या pictures जो vision हमारी होती है, and the RNN is having the time frame data जिसके अंदर time series हमारी होती है. तो we will not go deeply into the deep learning because our motive is just to give an introduction of a brief idea कि AI, ML, deep learning और जो data science है हमारा है क्या. Now when we move towards the data science, now what is data science? अभी तक हमने पढ़ा कि artificial intelligence उसका सबसेट मशीन लर्निंग एंड उसका सबसेट उसके अंदर हमारा दैट इज डीप लर्निंग. नो व्हाट इज डेटा साइंस? डेटा साइंस क्या उसी का सबसेट है या अलग है? नो, डेटा साइंस इज नथिंग बट द mixture of all of these techniques plus some another algorithms. Data science contains artificial intelligence concepts, it will contain machine learning concepts, it will contain deep learning concepts, plus there are many mathematical or statistical concepts like probability, statistics to calculate, to make a machine enable to make decisions and to apply different these things to apply and to make a machine or a program intelligent. फाइन. तो ये हमारा एक ब्रॉडर वे के अंदर जस्ट आई एम ट्राइंग कि यू कैन जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड कि इन तीनों चारों टर्म्स का बेसिकली डिफरेंस है क्या. सो दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट वीडियो. I'll try in the coming videos we should use in fact I will use more technology. Yeah, I'll try to make more user friendly or student friendly. We'll try कि because उसके अंदर images या और भी कुछ embed we can do it out. And but hopefully the purpose of discussion of this topic, I'm hopeful that it reaches you and understand आपकी understanding बने. And if any doubt we can always discuss it out in the classroom sessions or tutorial sessions. All the best. Thank you.